Good morning, children. Welcome back to the online class of Sri Gokulam Public School, Vattagara. Good morning, children. Today's thought: a clear vision backed by definite plans gives you a tremendous feeling of confidence and personal power, by Brian Tracy. Clear? Okay. Now we can continue our lesson. History lesson. Did you remember the lesson's name? Yes, very good. Nazism and the rise of Hitler. And the previous class we discussed about the Versailles Peace Treaty and the First World War. How did the First World War affected Germany? Listen, and then this led to economic crisis in Germany. In 1923, Germany faced the economic crisis, but with the support of USA, they maintained economic stability from 1924 to 1928. But after that, what happened there? That we can discuss today. The years of depression from 1929 to 1932. In 1929, USA, they withdrew their economic support. Listen, with the support of USA, Germany maintained the economic stability. But in 1929, USA withdrew their support. Why? Because one of the world famous stock exchange in USA, that was the Wall Street Exchange, that was a failure. Then what is that Wall Street Exchange? That was a stock exchange, and the people, they invested their share in the stock exchange for starting the big business or factories like that and sharing the profit by the shareholders. But in 1929, it was a failure. So the people, they were afraid of losing their money. So within one day itself, the 13 million shares were sold. Listen, and then because of this, the national income of USA, that was fell by half from 1929 to 1932. And the factories that were shut down, exports fell, and speculators, they withdrew their money. This was the condition of USA. So, in this situation, USA was not able to give economic support to Germany. So they withdrew the support. Then again, Germany faced the years of depression from 1929 to 1932. Now, how did these years of depression affect Germany? Listen, then Germany already faced the economic crisis. Did you remember? What was the economic fault of Weimar Republic? Yes, they printed the currency recklessly without any limit. This caused for hyperinflation, increasing the prices of food grains, and they carried a cart full of money to buy a piece of bread. Do you remember that? Okay, then because of these years of depression, the industrial production, that was reduced to 40%, and workers, they lost their job and they got very less wages only. And everywhere the people, they faced unemployment, and the unemployment that reached to 6 million. And these unemployed persons, listen, without any job, they hang the placard around their neck, writing, willing to do any work. Listen, this was the condition of the Germans during these years of depression. And many of these people, unemployed person, they turned to be as the criminals. Listen, without any other source of income, they turned to be as criminals. And some of them, they played cards or simply sat at the street corners. And some others, they were standing in front of the employment exchange with the expectation of getting a job opportunity or employment opportunity. Listen, and then all type of people saw their savings diminished due to the economic crisis. Nothing was there in the hand. Whatever the income they got, there was no value at all. Then small businessmen, self-employed, retailers, all of them, they suffered a lot. Listen, and the business that got ruined, and they were afraid of proletarianization. What is meant by proletarianization? The businessman, self-employed person, they thought that their level was going to reduce at the level of the working class. That is proletarianization. Listen, only the organized workers, they were able to manage or they were able to survey. Listen, and the big business that was in crisis, and the peasants, they were affected by a sharp fall in agricultural prices, and women were unable to take care of their family and to look after their children. Listen, all type of people, they face lot of troubles due to this economic depression. Then we discussed that. What was the economic fault of Weimar Republic? The economic fault of Weimar Republic, to meet the economic crisis, they printed the currency recklessly. That caused for reducing the value of money and increasing the prices of food grains and led to hyperinflation. Now we can discuss the political fault of Weimar Republic. Listen, the two main fault of Weimar Republic. One was the proportional representation and another one that was Article 48. Listen, the politically Weimar Republic, it was a failure. Then the defects of Weimar Constitution that led to the arrival of Hitler, or that led to the rise of Nazism and Hitler in Germany. Then what is that proportional representation? One of the political fault of Weimar Republic, what was that? That was the proportional representation. Because of that, no one party was able to form the government. No one got the majority vote to form the government. In this situation, they formed the coalition government. But the coalition government, it was a failure. Listen, and another fault of the Weimar Republic, political fault of Weimar Republic, that was Article 48. The Weimar Republic passed the Article 48. As per that, the president got more power. Do you know who was the president at that time? Hindenburg. The president, Hindenburg, he got more power. And he frequently passed the emergency that affected the rights of the citizens. Listen, and these were the two political fault of the Weimar Republic. And due to the proportional representation, listen, within a short period of time, the Weimar Republic that was existed there for only 239 days. Within that 239 days, they formed 20 cabinets. They conducted the 20 elections and formed the 20 cabinets. So, what happened there? The people, they lost their confidence on Weimar Republic, and then they were ready to support whom? Hitler and the Nazi party. Did you clear now? What did we discuss today? Then today we discussed the years of depression. The causes of years of depression. One of the main cause that we already discussed, Versailles Peace Treaty. Another one, they printed the currency. Weimar Republic printed the currency without any limit. Next, the failure of the Wall Street Exchange, one of the famous stock exchange in USA. And next, USA, they withdrew their support to Germany. This caused for years of depression in Germany. I hope all of you understood. Okay, don't forget to complete the notes. Listen, if any doubt, you have to contact me and clear your doubt. Okay, thank you.